Most of our clients came to us because they've experienced some or all of these top 4 team dysfunctions in their workplace: low trust, diverse personalities, fear of conflict, lack of engagement. High-performing teams don't happen by chance. When communication styles are understood and aligned, conflict decreases, engagement rises, and productivity thrives. Every organization wants stronger teamwork, better communication, and higher performance. But none of that happens by accident. It happens when leaders invest in understanding people, how they work, how they communicate, and how they perform at their best. At Excel Group, we help teams work smarter by understanding how people communicate, collaborate, and perform. Our team-building conference sessions bring entire teams together to build the foundation of high performance. These aren't icebreakers. They're productivity-focused teamwork sessions that reduce conflict and strengthen collaboration. Teams walk away aligned, energized, and equipped with practical tools they can use to move forward on the job.